Analysts are counting it up, and they say that all said and done, Hurricane Milton may cause $50 billion in insured losses for Florida property owners. In today's Money Watch, CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger is going to break down what this could all mean for everybody, not just Florida property owners. Good morning to you, Jill. So $50 billion in insured losses, that means money that insurance companies are expected to pay?
Right, and it doesn't even include all the money that we expect from the federal government and state agencies. Remember, if you have insurance, this is a really sticky time for you because many of these people can't get back in their homes yet. But we want them to take photos and videos of all the damage before they do anything. We want you to contact the insurance company. Make sure that you say to the insurance company, hey, I've got to make some temporary repairs here. You've got to get their permission to do that, to maybe make sure the structure is safe. And also, just know that this insurance process, it takes a long time. You really want to try to detail all the things that you have lost before you make that claim. If you don't have your policy, call the company, get on record. I am a victim of this storm.
They don't make it easy for you. What I find sometimes with some companies, not all, you spend all this money on insurance, and then when you need them, they give you 50 million reasons why they can't pay.
Right.
So what happens if you need to make repairs before the insurance money comes in?
So again, if it's a temporary repair, just go on the record with them and make a record of when you contacted them, even if you left a voicemail. But you really need to make sure not to do anything permanent until you have that agreement from the insurance company. I said this last week. I think people don't understand this, but when you get an offer from an insurance company about a settlement, that's the first offer. It is a negotiation.
You can negotiate?
Really? Absolutely. You
Really?
can say, you know what? I lost more than that. And here's what I can tell you. I bought this cabinet here. I bought this refrigerator at this point. If you've got backup and you can start creating that list of items, you can negotiate. So don't sign on the dotted line too quickly.
What about flood insurance? A lot of people don't have it. And then Florida, you know, they get flooded so often with these hurricanes.
Yeah, I mean, the flood insurance program, the National Flood Insurance Program, is a really kind of a tricky program because you have to qualify to get the National Flood Insurance. And for everyone else, if you don't qualify, it's expensive. Remember, a lot of people who own these homes for a long time, they were forced to make sure they had coverage because their mortgage companies did that, right?
Yes.
But many people who already paid off their mortgages, they dropped their insurance because the costs are skyrocketing. You know, gang, when we look back and I say, hey, wait, property insurance, do you know how much it's gone up? 52%. Since 2020,
Wow.
52%.
Wow.
Now, if you look at like some of these flood zones or maybe those terrible places, sometimes in the central states where you get tornadoes, it's up almost 90% for some people.
California fires.
Yeah, and you can understand why someone would say, oh, do I really need that coverage? Except that you do.
Yeah, I tried to get my insurance costs down, negotiated a lower rate by not having glass coverage on the vehicle. Of course, the windshield broke like
No.
acorn hit the windshield like the next day. Out of pocket.
Yep.
Jill Schlesinger, thank you very much. Appreciate it.